Hello, everybody. We're about to get started. Just a second. We'll be started soon. Oh, yes, I cannot wait. Alright, it'll be, let's see. Wait, okay. Why did where are you? Execute. It closed on me. It's not very nice. Let's see. Where are you? Ooh, little game. There it is. To think, I am streaming. Alright, we are pretty much. Let's see. I am. Let's see. We're getting ready to do some fun stuff here. Okay, okay. How do we, where do I do this? Oh, yes. Let's see. Why isn't it working? Why isn't that working? That's so bizarre. 1 second, guys. I'm really dumb. It is not wanting to capture. Why? Why not? Why won't you capture? Why is this an issue? I am hitting a struggle bus right now. I am struggling. This is on me. I am feeling really dumb. It's not like it sees the wind. Why? Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna delete that. And I'm going to just redo this. Game capture. Okay. Game. VX Ace. Can you now capture VX Ace? Why can't you capture VX Ace? Am I silly? It does. That was my own voice. Why won't you capture VX Ace? This is so bizarre. It was working just like a second ago. It was saying that it was working, but now it's not wanting to work. I'm so confused right now. I'm like, I don't know why this won't work. Why can't you work? Let's see. What the heliante? What the hell? Okay. So, what if I do window capture instead of game capture? There we go. Oh my goodness. It's because it did not like the game. Are you serious? You silly, silly little thing. Oh my goodness. Now it won't, now it doesn't line up though. Shit. Okay, if I go here, yeah. That's so weird. Now it, in my little stupid V-tubing hand thing doesn't line up. If I do this, will this be better? It needs to be down more. Wait, okay. There we go. This works. This works. This works perfectly fine. It works good enough. This is like kind of a mess. Why doesn't it? I don't care. You know what? I don't care. It's close enough. Let's see. What do I want to work on first? I mostly just want to like tweak some stuff. I'm not really planning on doing anything super crazy right now. Hello. Hey! Hello, Whack910. Welcome, welcome. Oops, my thing just fell over. My headphone holder. I just knocked it off my desk. Wait, hold on. Why is it not? Okay, there we go. Now it should show. That was... I don't know why this keeps not showing. I feel very silly. You don't remember subscribing to this? Well... Anyway, welcome. It'd be like that sometimes. Let's see, does this actually... Yeah, yep, I am sure you do remember. You love off-fan games? Hey, welcome. It's good to see you, Cedif. I'm not sure that's how you pronounce your user. I sure hope it is. I'm like just fixing my little thing right now. Ooh, I have an idea. Oh, that's a really bad idea. I, right now, am just trying to figure out how to make my silly little thing work. Okay. Now this... Hold on, chat. I'm cooking. By cooking, I mean, I'm really not... Yeah, I'm in the kitchen burning shit. Okay. Now, maybe this will be a bit better. Hopefully I have fixed the like little issue of things not working. It sucks that Redditors keep nagging about that one video you made 4 years ago. I know. I don't think people realize that video was made before the quarantines happened. Everyone's moved on but them. I need to make... Okay, I did make that event already. I need to fix that, but not now. Okay, that's working. I know, it's pretty wild. Like, isn't it? Like, it's kind of crazy if you think about it. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make this slightly more like that. Wait, hold on. You can't... Chat, I should never cook again. There we go. Now you can actually see my VTuber. I know something that I wanted to do is, do I have off downloaded? Ignore like my mess of a desktop. Do I have old off downloaded? I have to have old off downloaded somewhere. Just because I wanted to just, I do, perfect. I just want to go here and you, my friend, have to go away. There, I just wanted to... You're gonna get some minor off gameplay, guys. Welcome, everybody. I swear I have like an actual... Okay, there we go. This is just a little test thing. There we go. Now it's all like properly set up. I just want to look at zone 1 so I can get some inspiration. Oh, damn it. I'm gonna have to go through, like, the entire, like, everything, aren't I? We're taking a brief detour to beat the, to do the tutorial. Let's see. Can I skip the tutorial? Let's see. I literally just want to see, listen, buddy. I literally... So, this is that one Roblox game I, like, was referencing. Item Asylum? Yes! Item Asylum... A lot of... This is, like, this game is a cult classic. I love it. It's very good. Oh wait. There we go. It's let's see. 2, 6, 8, 2, 3. That one lobby where you go in the chest and go to Greenland. Yes. This is in fact going to be the we're going to see the Greenland in just a second. I just am silly and need to do this real quick. Okay, so it's 4, 4. Excuse me. 4, 4. 8. Oh, whoops. 4, 8. Wait, do I not know how to count? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? Let's see. Which one is it? I'm feeling really dumb. I've played this game. Hi, Sunny or Siski. Hi, Siski. I am trying to get a reference here, and I had to restart off because I forgot to make a save file, so we're doing this, but I don't know how to count apparently. Six, 7. You're right. 6, 7. 6, 7, guys. Am I right? 6, 7. V-Hand is dying. Okay, so there's... Oh my god. Okay. 1, 2. So this is 4. This is 4. So this, and then it goes to 8. Whatever music you have going in the background keeps giving you ASMR shivers down the background. It's, Super Mario music, but not, like, copyrighted ones. Or maybe it is copyrighted, and I'm gonna get, this video taken down in the morning. But allegedly it's not copyrighted. That's Princess Peach's castle. From Super Mario Wii? Let's see. Which one is it? Okay, so that's not it. So is it this? I'm like so silly. Ultra mega class action lawsuited by Nintendo. I know, right? First video game. What can I say? They hate all fan games, not just Nintendo fan games. Did I like remember wrong? Is it not 8? Is that not an 8? Okay. That's definitely an 8, right, guys? It's 448287. That's an 8, right? I feel like I'm going crazy. Okay. 1. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What the hell? Okay. Maybe it... How could this go? Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? That's dumb. 2, 8, 7. No. 8, 2, 8, 7. There we go. See, I done it. I know what I'm doing. Who's to say I don't know? Shit. I fear that's everyone. Let's see. Diva? Oh, there we go. Item Asylum lobby. We're going to Item Asylum town, baby. So what I wanted to do is I just wanted to do a fun little off zone 1. Zone 1, parallax background. I'm gonna say no pink. Perfect. And so all I'm gonna do is, wait, I could just do this. Then we put this guy here. It is the Item Asylum. Let's see. Oh, whoopsies. Gotta undo this. 1, 2. And then oops, I did not want to do that. Let's see. And then they do like this. Perfect. Oh, wonderful. Oh, wait, hold on. That won't work. I have to do it. No, that's good enough. I say that's good enough. We are, oh, wow. Oh, spectacular. Why is that not working? Why did I put line art around that? I'm gonna have to fix that. Hyper super mega class action lawsuit time. Ooh, we've got 5 viewers. Hopefully all good things, obviously. I didn't make a little thing for the chest, so that's just gonna be a pumpkin. Just because I'm just being a silly little guy right now. I'm just making things for fun. Let's see. And then I want to put that there. I think he makes his a little bit bigger. What? Fashionably late for Halloween. You're right. It is fashionably late for Halloween. It's because in the game it's October time. So oh my goodness. So they have little pumpkins and stuff over here. I don't know if I'm liking the colors. The thing is, like, I was like, oh, original off. I don't want to, like, copy it. I want to make it my own thing. But at the same time, I'm not sure if the, like, grayer color palette is working. Like, I think it is cool, but I'm not sure if I execute it properly. New map. And then let's see. Oh, we immediately go to the terminal? Okay. Interesting stuff. Very fashionably late for Halloween. Did I make railroad tracks? I did. Okay. So this ends there. So it has to. Let's see. Does he make it? He doesn't make his lineup perfectly. He just does whatever the fuck he wants. Him being Mortis Ghost. Off fans when On walks in. You're right. No, the way my game was originally called On. It was in fact like originally called On, like that. It was called that. I know, original, right guys? Super original. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. And then I want to add these. I still need to fix some of these tile sets. They are looking not great. But we live and we learn, guys. And then we want to do. Oh, that goes 1. And then there's 2. We want. Oopsies. No. Excuse me. Oh, wait. We want it like this. There we go. Oh, genius. I'm so genius right now. I'm genius maxing. Not really. Did I make a fence? I didn't make a fence. I'm so silly. I need to start making fences, guys. I'm gonna expand this map. Oh, it does it at the bottom? What if I kill myself? Sorry. I shouldn't joke like that on YouTube. They've banned me for being homophobic before. I've genuinely gotten so it can be interesting sometimes. It can be really interesting. I don't want. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So we wanna. Oh wait, hold on. We want there to be rain. Weather. Rain, and we just want a little bit of rain. Right. And we just let that rain happen. Switch. No, not switch. We want this to be an auto run. Wait, let's see. No, we want it to be auto ran. Correct. Yes, we do want that to be auto ran. Where did my drink go? There it is. My soda turned flat, which is very sad. But, oh, yes, yes. Anyway. Dun, 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 dun. All nice. Ooh. And monorail-y. And then we just want to put this little guy right there. Or do we want him up there? I don't remember. I'm gonna put it right there. Yes, it's there. And then we're going to go to Damien. Let's go. I love how they just make the background move. Nothing else is moving. I really love that. We're not gonna make that because that looks like ass. No, I have to make it. I should also make the little let's see. No, I want the animation. It's not gonna give it to me again. That's lame. Okay, I'll just do this by memory. I got this. How does it look? I don't remember. Oh, I did not, no one saw that. I have no idea what that was going to be. I forgot, I forgot. Where is off? Where did off go? There it is. Oh, wait. I remember. It was just like this, I think. I don't remember. I'm just doing this by memory. And then we want to do graphic, pink sky, and then loop her 5, I think. There we go. And now we make Damien. I don't need to be doing all this. I didn't want to be doing all this. Why did I get stuck on doing this? I just wanted to like do this part. I literally, I just meant to like take a little peek, get a little reference, and then like move on. This was not intended. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm literally just playing off. I was like, oh, I'll work on Execute on stream. I'm sure that'll be interesting. And then no, I stop to smell the roses. Since it's October in this game, you should add a 1 in 100% something for a skeleton to run by your screen once and then never again. That... Wait, is the game just black? Did it turn black? Oh, you didn't see anything. Where's my game? My screen is glitching. No, you can see. Stream can see. I'm tweaking. I'm tweaking, guys. That would be really funny. There we go. I'd have to design it, but I'd definitely be able to do that. I think that would be pretty funny. I don't know why. My VTuber is not, like the mouth isn't working very well. I think, it's because my light is behind me. Yeah, well, I pretty much just wanted to redo this part. I think this part looks fine. Oh no, I feel like it's too much. It doesn't need to be all burnt. I don't know why I felt the need to burn it. Because it doesn't need to be burnt. We also don't want these shadows. I decided I don't like the shadows. The shadows are... I don't like it. I've decided I don't like the shadows. I feel like they don't add anything. Oh god, the tile sets in this are god awful. I'm just like regretting some of my design choices. Because I want the game to look good, so I think I put in too much effort to try to make it look good where I didn't need it. If that makes sense. Like, I really did try. The bathroom's in the hallway. So, there we go. There we go. Like, I know I want to be very apocalyptic, but the burning is unnecessary. Because it's not like Flo would be setting things on fire here. So I'm just doing lots of very tedious work. Also, I feel like shading is just gonna be like unfun. Like, it's just unnecessary. Oops. There we go. I need to fix these. 2026 will be your never give up. That's good. I hope you don't give up. I hope nobody gives up. I say as I give up like all the time. I don't necessarily think I'm gonna be keeping Can I just reset all shadow? I can't. Oh yes, these little burns need to go away. It makes no sense for it to be burnt in here. So those go away. I think it already looks better. I think it already looks better. Just being not like whatever this is. Like, I think it already looks better now that the shadows are gone. I don't know if that's just me or if that's a true statement, but I feel like it looks better without the shadows. Like, I feel like the shadows just make it too busy. And like in here, I don't know why I added the scorch marks, because I don't, Lenny would not be setting his thing on fire. but who knows what I was thinking. I really don't know what I was thinking when I made all this. There we go. Nah, I'll keep the box. We don't need that. Oh, the silly lore room. All of this to be walkable. Yes. There we go. I don't know why it says monorail there when there's a monorail system right here. We don't question things. And then I put this here. Perfect. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Now those are all the right color. There you go. Whoopsies. There you go. Looking much better. I say in quotes. Then there's all everywhere over here. And I mean, it looks fine. Oh, hiccups. Just gonna be removing these. I don't really want to eat an apple right now. I don't know why. I'm just really craving apples. Oh my god, we have 7 viewers in chat. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome. I'm kind of just being a bit silly over here. I'm doing nothing of, like, importance. Ah, yes! This is how I need to do it. No. Hey Batters, how's the deving? Oh, welcome Slushy. It's doing okay. I am just fighting for my life out here. Oh my goodness. I'm doing pretty good. I'm just why is it doing that? I am just fighting with my own tile sets that I made myself. For some reason they're glitching really badly and I don't know why. It shouldn't be doing that. I can't even right now. It is. Oh my goodness. I'm doing fine though. It's mostly just my silly little, what if I do this and then, no, what is that? Why is it making a line there? I guess I can't do what hold on, how do I do it over here? I did it perfectly fine over here. What the hell? Honestly, I think, okay, so what I'm gonna do here, instead of trying to remake whatever I did over here, I'm just gonna use this and redesign it. I need to redesign a whole lot of everything here. Let's see. I'm gonna why do I have all these random thingies? Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. Then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna copy that. How am I gonna do this? Where am I gonna put this? Where am I going to put this? This is a great question. Great question of how do I want to? You like the hand? Thank you. I haven't made a custom hand yet, so this is just me using the default assets. But I will be making like my own soon, hopefully. What I need to do, actually, and what I'm going to do is it is very Mario Maker core. That's a very true statement. So I need to So, like, I need to make an actual layout of what I want this place to look like. So obviously, now where would Lenny put this portal? Pest from Regretivator. Wait, you're right. He does look like Pest from Regretivator. No, this is the mascot of the merchant stands. But you know what? He really does look like Pest. He actually outlives Pest, so he's older than Pest. So maybe Pest is a ripoff of Leo? Ooh. Now, wouldn't that be quite the pickle? Okay, so we want to start here. Yes. We just want to start. Have you seen that new Roblox fighting game? My friend who loves Regretivator was raving about it. I have. So I actually was an alpha playtester. I got to play Meliantics. Melaniacs. You can ultra for class action uke. Now that's crazy, because little do you all know, I actually played Regretivator when it was in alpha, and I played Melaniacs when it was in alpha. I used to be, I wasn't like friends with Uke, but I did actually, we used to talk on Twitter. Because I really liked, Uke used to make a lot of really interesting, ARGs, and he used to make horror games. I do not believe any of these games are up anymore, but he made these really interesting games, and so we'd talk about them, and Uke would like give me tips on how to like 100% them and get all the achievements. I actually streamed a lot of these old games, so a lot of them became like lost footage or like lost media, and so my really shitty Roblox streams, I guess you could, yeah, I guess you could say they were a Roblox myth. I don't really, it was more like you made Roblox myths. But yes. So here's the little portal. Because we're gonna start back from here. Because, you know, I don't hate this layout. So I'm gonna do... make this building right here something interesting. Blah, blah, blah. In the middle of some... Yes, I want that. I do want that. And then I will just have it sort of turn, and we can keep this. Excuse me. Ah, it's glitching. There you go. But you know, I actually didn't really... Okay, this is gonna be a hot take. This is a hot Regretivator take. I don't love Meliantics as one of the alpha playtesters. I don't think it's a very good game. I think it's just okay. I think it's really boring. Unfortunately, I don't see it having a lot of longevity in the long run. I unfortunately think it's gonna die off. And then I want a little bit something a lot more like holy royalty-free gasp crowd sound effect. I know, it's like evil that I'd say something so horrific. But I just did not, I think it's generic. I think there is a bunch of Roblox games that do the exact same thing. I've like played this game like a million times before. And there are other games that I'd rather play. It feels like a mini game. It feels like a Regretivator mini game. And I don't think that's a good thing. Like, it feels too much. It feels like a mini game, and that's all it is. It's a mini game, like, put on its own. And I know it's still in alpha. I know, or no, it's no longer in alpha. It's in beta now. I know it's in beta, and and they're like working on it, and it's getting stuff, but I don't know. I just feel like it's not as good as people are saying it is. No, exactly. It is the slap battles floor. It genuinely is the slap battles floor if it was a game on its own, and there's not even like anything more to it. It's kind of just slap battles, but instead of slapping, you slap each other with a crowbar. And I fear like that genuinely is the game. There's no like skill to it. Really, you kind of just slap each other around, and eventually you'll like win something. You just slap each other enough, and whoever slaps each other enough, and it's like you slap each other, you fall off the map, you respawn, you slap each other. You can't even like kill someone via slapping. You have to like slap them off the map. And oh no, it doesn't feel very original. And I feel like the characters look cool, but I think they're just doing too much. They're just giving too much. But I'm not gonna be like, hey, this shit sucks. I don't think it sucks. I think it's clearly a passion project. I mean, Yuke clearly loves this game that he created. I just think it's okay. And you know, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with making a game that is purely just for you. Oh my god. Yep, there's flow. There we go. We have a little chest right there. And then, you know, I think this looks decent. This looks pretty okay. I think I'm probably gonna end off stream in like 30-ish minutes. But I'm not too sure. I think the laboratory looks fine. I just need to, I haven't been able to make original, like, tile sets. When I make the tile sets that are just for, because these walls, I'm not liking these walls. They have got to go. I hate these floors. I hate these walls. I think the house looks bad. I'm gonna redesign this house. This is the old design. So this is the design from like 2015. And that shit has got to go. It has got to go. So what I'm going to do is new map, zone 1 test. Then I want to be, I'll have it 19 by, no, I do want it really long. Let's see, 20 by 20 is going to be a big giant thing, correct? No, it's like barely bigger than the screen. So I want it to be bigger. Okay. This works. And so I want to focus on, so I'm going to, oh, excuse me. There we go. Make this shorter. Interesting. Interesting. They make the houses a separate entity. They make it a B set instead of an A set. That's interesting. I don't know why I didn't realize that. Or I mean, I knew that. I've done it before. I just didn't think about how I should be doing that. These are A set, that's entity. These are entities, weather. Those are B. I need to just make these better. I need to make them better. I need to get better. I need to... I'm gonna just do that. No, that looks like ass cheeks. And I hate it. I don't know why it does that stupid, stupid, ugly bullshit. Divas, no, you can't be doing that. There we go. That's fine. That's good enough. Then we slap one of those. I have no idea what these stupid little lines are. I don't know how to get rid of them. I hate them. I am not sure why they're happening because they don't happen with other tile sets. They only happen with these tile sets. It is very frustrating, I tell you guys. It is getting ready. It is getting to bedtime. I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll go to bed. Oh, that's like way more than I need. Oh my god, I just heard my roommates and it low-key kind of scared me. Early good night. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna pretend these are like buildings or something. I don't know if they actually come off as the backs of buildings. I'll add some windows. I shall add some windows. There you go. I'll make some racks. Just because they're in like, it's all apocalyptic. Ooh, spooky. I will have to like go play around with my tile sets. I have to add more, I have to like make more stuff for it, unfortunately. Little symbol on the wall. I feel like I'm just going way too crazy with it. So I'm gonna stay simple. You know, keep it simple. Keep it simple. I need to keep things a lot more simple. Bottom, 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 bottom. Dong. You know what? No, I'm making it too complicated. This is all we need. We've done it. And then... gonna make it 25 by 25 again. Whew. Wait. I don't want that there. I want this more like centered. Wake up, sleepyhead. Oh, I know. I'm like dozing off right now. And then I'm gonna do... I paused the stream when you were blinking. Ah, that's too funny. I just fall asleep. I'm so serious, can't make this up. Oh my god, that's too funny. What can I say? I'm just eepy. I'm eepy, guys. Like, it does not help that I was just talking about, like, going to bed. I'm gonna make it there. There we go. That's perfect. Do that there. You avoided the EP allegations this time. I'm shocked and surprised. This time I beat them. So I'm gonna do that and then just make it skinnier. There we go. I'm gonna do if anything, I could make this table skinnier. Can't I? Ooh. No, that. Why is it so, like, in a weird... I always make my tiles offset. There we go. Then you know what? I will add some little rocks here, because some rocks here is fine. Because this is like a more like lived in area. There we go. That looks like shit. But it's fine. There we go. It kind of looks like a face now. Did I make stairs? I know I made stairs at one point. I didn't make stairs. Did I make a whole void? This will be the stairs for right now. Ooh, beautiful. No, I did make stairs. Didn't I? No, I just made a ladder. Ah, yes. The ladder. I forgot. I did make just the ladder for some reason. There we go. We could be a ladder for right now. I'm gonna steal a few rocks. And then I'm gonna go here, steal the boxes. There we go. And so what I'll just do, oh, I need to steal this. And then I'm gonna just like delete that. We'll go there, perfect. Wait. And then the crossroads is whatever. So I'm gonna move that there, put that there. I'll just put flow right there for now. Let's see, this game engine seems intuitive to use. It is very easy. I feel like you don't need to know how to really mess with this game. Or you don't really need to know much about the game engine. Entrance. Entrance is cold. Hello? Hello, Slushy, are you still here? Slushy, please tell me you're still watching. Is Slushy here? I don't know how this happened. It for some reason pulled game, like the character sprite I made for Slushy as like a gift. Like a few months ago, and for some reason it made that is very much not accurate. What? Excuse me. What do I do here? Let's see. LOL, my game glitched and made ghost batter you. That is too funny. I really don't know how that happens. I think I must have changed the character sprite. I've cursed your game. If you play it, I crawl out of the TV 7 days later. Oh my god. Oh, you did see the chat. I was actively texting it, messaging you. I don't know how. I genuinely don't know how that happened. Oopsies. I don't want the game generator. So I want to go into... Oh, no, I don't want the console. So I want to go into manage... No. Oh, yeah, obviously here. What the freak? Excuse me. Slushy. Now where is the real ghost batter? Ghost. Okay, there we go. That was really funny. I don't know, become Slushy, I guess. Me when I become Slushy. So we want to skip through all of this. I don't want any of that. No wonder he was invisible. There he is. There's Ghost Batter. Or girl. Or they. Good they. No, it's, in fact, or what if Ghost Batter identifies as? He does identify as a guy. He is a guy. So... Okay, so it brings us here. This is the wrong place it sends us to. Ah, sheet. I know what I did wrong. So what I'm gonna do... Wait, no, it'll save us in... It'll just put us into the void if I save there. I know what I have to do. I forgot to change the trigger location. I forgot to actually change the send location. Haunted by Yes. Let's see. We want to change to make you here. Alrighty, there we go. Now this should work. Now this should be working. I have to talk to Ghost Batter. Like, ew, I have to talk to the character that I love so deeply. After playing through my own game, I'm like, Ghost Batter is, I fear, a nuisance. Okay. Okay, it's to the correct place now. Very good, very good. Very powerful, very beautiful. Ah, and my dumb, stupid ass forgot to set the switch location. What's Crocky Person's name? Crocky Person's name is Bad Batter. Or Fred. Or Fred. His like actual name is Fred. Let's see. Let's talk to Fred. Don't you have some specters to fight? I love you, Fred. I actually just drew a very interesting drawing of Fred. I love Fred quite a lot. Here is that's spoilers. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. I didn't say that. But yeah, here's Fred. I am going to add more interactions with Fred in this actual area. That's what I wanted to work on. Here is Fred's room. And here's Ted's room. I should go show you guys Ted. Oops. I didn't mean to come here. Oh my god, why is the volume so loud? Oh, no. We're not doing all that. Okay, so here is... Ooh. Oh, we did it! We beat the game! Oh! Speedrun, guys! Oh my god, speedrun, guys. I beat the game. Okay. I forgot. That save file is so I can test the, Oh my god. It was MatPat the whole time? Shouldn't mess with Borbo's computer. Here's a fun little trick. Oh fuck, what did I just press? Shit. I find this part very fun. Ghost Batter, did you press the fire alarm? No, I didn't. There we go. And now we're, in the wrong place. And here's the old area, rain machine. Yeah, it's supposed to be, he like set the fire alarm. I think it's really funny because every single person who's ever like play tested my game / played this game has pressed the big red button. They always press the big red button. And it brings joy to my heart knowing they always press the big red button. This must be Warbo's laboratory. Bunch of books, mostly biology and stuff. It's probably written by Borbo. I need to like redo all these tile sets because the thing is it calls for them. It does. The big red button is tempting for everybody. I love adding big red buttons in like all the games I've ever created because players will always touch them no matter what. It doesn't even have to have a label. It's literally just a button and they press it. They love fucking with shit. Oh, that's not correct. This should not be playing. Both of those models should not be playing at the same time. I found a glitch, guys. Let's see. Okay, here's the flow. Ooh, spooky. Health emerged. Ooh, we gotta. Oh shit, my health is really bad. I'm gonna die. We for some reason it respawned flow. When technically Flo's supposed to be dead at this point of the game. Or not dead, but ooh, battle system, yes. My battle system is actually really ass. This is the just a slightly modded it's a slightly modded version of the basic VX Ace battle system. Oh, I have no. Ooh. Oof, treat status alien. I don't have anything to replenish CP. I didn't, I should do that. You can tell, yeah. I've made a better battle system. I'm working on I'm currently working on a better battle system. This battle system is, not what the final game is going to have. It will not have this. It will not have this. Replenish what? Oh, competence points. It's in RPG Maker, like turn-based combat games. There's HP and then there's CP. CP is like the points you use for your special attacks. So like if you wanted to use like a special, I know. It is not a term I created. It is not a term I chose to use. It actually, fun fact, competence points started off as a mistranslation. I can't even escape right now. I'm just gonna let Flo kill me, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I died. Ghost Patter was defeated. Yeah, tell that to the cops. Oh god. I'm gonna show you what the battle style is actually going to look like. It is going to look like... So the battle style will be looking like... Ugh. By bad batters. Slay. Ah, the volume is so loud. I swear it's not even like... I swear the volume thing... people always get on me about the volume being really weird and really loud. I promise. It's, what the fuck? Unable to find graphics. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, y'all. We gotta do some... I fucked up my other... did I fuck that shit up? I think I did. Oh, no. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. More ghosts in the machine trickery. Yeah, exactly. What do you mean you can't find Picky Book? Picky Book exists. What do you mean Picky Book is gone? Did I accidentally delete it? I shouldn't have. It should be in here. It's not in here. What do you mean it's not in here? Uh-oh. That's not good. Why? Our image is missing. Whew. Uh-oh, guys. We found a bigger problem here. Oh, no. So what I'm gonna do is... That's not good. Has Execute this entire time not been playable? Oh, no. Oh, no. Was no one gonna tell me about this issue? Do I have a image on my entire thing that's called Picky Book? Unexplainable paranormal event. This is what I get for making Ghost Batter a ghost. Why would Picky... Okay, Picky Book does exist. On my computer. But why aren't you in Execute? Okay, graphics, pictures. There we go. Now will you work? Off you can go away now. Let's see. Let's see. Oh no. Please tell me this entire time Execute has been up on itch.io. It hasn't been playable. No one did. Oh, yes, it works. Oh, thank goodness. Ghost batter. Okay. So the thing is, I hate these tile sets. I can't find a single tile set that I'm happy with. I hate them all. I'm not happy with any amount of tile set, and I don't know why. Because, like, we have this tile set, and it's just way... I don't know. I'm not happy with any of it. I feel like I don't know. I'll show you guys some fighting. So this is what the battle system will look like. It will look like this. After I actually implement it properly. It will end up looking like this. The UI will also look a lot more similar to this. I had the UI looking like this, and the thing is, I actually had a alpha version of this battle system implemented in the actual game in like Execute specifically, and people really didn't like they couldn't understand the battle system. They kept dying immediately. They weren't happy. They wouldn't finish the game. They'd abandon it immediately, and I couldn't figure out how to fix that, because if there's one thing I've learned is I'm really bad at making tutorials. Also, here's the old portal. I don't know which portal looks better. There's this one, and then there's the... let's see. Like, there's this portal, and then... let's see. And then there's, this portal. I'm not sure which one I like better, which style I like better. The one on the left, like if I was to do like the actual triangle, I would have to change the colors because, you like the static one? Yeah. Perhaps combine them. Yeah, I will. Because I know the, like the actual colors on this is a lot more, is important to the character's lore specifically. Borbo, let me open up this. Let's see. This guy specifically, there is lore importance to the colors. So I'd have to change the, but that's a very minor change, I feel. So that's not that big of a deal. There's Ghost Batter, aka Eddie. This art is old, by the way. This is old art. Not that it's bad. I will not be redrawing it. Ugh. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It is 10:20. I need to go to bed. I will mess around with these silly little games some other time. You know, I need to actually play. Let me play this game and make sure it's actually like working. Dun, dun, dun. Alrighty. Oh, let's see. I hate that it doesn't automatically teleport you there. I don't know. Do I have to talk to Ghost? Yes, I do have to talk to Ghost Batter. I forgot. You always. So I should explain. Execvte is a remake of BX Execute. So. Oh. How did I get stuck in the wall? I don't know how that happened. Sometimes this game really does confuse me. I'm about to die, aren't I? No, I'm not. I did that first one like a champ. Let's see. I'm just gonna play a little bit of the game to make sure I actually like Oh, yeah, I forgot. I did not mean to take all those screenshots. I forgot to delete that. Oh, I need to delete that. I'll do that soon. Oh no, I don't want to go home. Let's see. Oh, I did need it. Nothing really. Oh, wait, I forgot. Oh, fuck you. Ah, damn it. Me when I'm ass and dick and balls at this. Slay. I say as I'm like not getting hit at all. Okay, I'm just gonna keep running through. Cause let's see. Oh shit, I need to... How do I do that? What is it? What? There you go. It's D. I forgot it's D. Uh-huh. Perhaps. Let's see. Then I believe you go right. Dun dun dun. Let's see. I'm just like... And then... I have to go up here. I ignore all those. Oops, I'm gonna die. If it only isn't the consequences of my own actions. Okay, so I need to delete this. I need to delete this. I need to delete that script. Now, where did I put that? Where did I put it? Was it just a self-reliant script? I think it might have been. Maybe it was. Huh. I guess I did. Oh no. Anyway, anywho, one thing I did notice though that I did not intend was I made the wrong thing at the wrong time. Anyway, I need to fix this. Wait. Abortion time. I need to abortion it. Abort it. I might have fucked up. No, I didn't. I didn't fuck up. Oops. I did not mean to send that there. Compress game data to the CS. Oh, okay. No, that's correct. Then I'm also gonna need to do let's compress the zip file. Not a lot of people have played it. Oh my goodness. I guess not like anyone played it and decided to let me know that the games were broken. That's great. I mean, it could have also just been a me problem. Like, that's very possible. Let's see. Flow. Let's see. Let me take a peek. Yeah, no, these are the correct game models. Nope, that's correct. Okay, that's good. I was scared for a second. Plays it. Ah, it's broken. Leaves. Yeah, right? No. Like, the thing is, the game was perfectly fine. For some reason, those images just got moved. And I don't know how. I think what happened was, while I was editing images, I might have accidentally saved them to a different area. Oh, I called it the wrong thing. Oh, why is my thing glitching? Oh my goodness, do you see this? Anyway, they, like, people just don't say, like, give, very good, they don't give good feedback. Like, ever. And it really sucks. I can't rename it because I'm currently using it. That's, oh, it's still compressing. What's that happening? Yeah, that's probably what happened. I've had people tell me things still weren't working. Like, I've had people tell me when there was a game-breaking glitch before, but, you know, I become mortified at the thought of they played this game, they tried to play this game, and they immediately got a glitch and then never picked it up again. I hope that's not the case. I'm thinking that the games were playable, in that, this glitch was just a glitch on my end. Why is my, like, VTuber tweaking out? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's, like, going, like, it's, like, zooming in and out. I'm, like, standing stationary. I don't know why he's getting bigger and smaller. Huh. Dun, 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 dun. But after this compresses and I re-upload it all to Twitch, to itch, once I, like, re-upload all of this to itch, then I'm going to bed. But that really sucks to think. Ah, the darn Ghost Man. Yeah. You know, it's always Ghost Batter's fault. Half the stuff that happens in the game could have been preventable if Ghost Batter did a little better. Sorry, Ghost. Sorry, Eddie. Not like, if he just, you know, thought things through a little bit. Not saying everything was his fault. However, there's a significant amount. There's a significant amount that is, in fact, all thanks to Eddie. Eddie will remember that? Yeah, you have no idea. He will. He's gonna be back for revenge. He's going to be destroying the files. He's gonna do something much worse next time. And I fear I won't be able to survive it. Come on. Compress faster. God damn it. I'm not even sure if watching... I'm not sure if even watching me, like, do dev stuff is very interesting. Because I feel like I'm not really, like, even... Well, I mean, I guess right now I... really had no idea, like, I had no plans on what I was gonna fix. This is my first time actually messing with the game for like 6 months. So I had no idea what really needed to be done. And the things that I needed to do were like, I don't know. I feel really, really boring. And then... Dun, dun. And now we compress that to a zip. And while that's compressing, we can re-upload that. As I was playing Execute, you noticed something deeply horrifying. Uh-oh. What did you find out? Oh no. I'm scared, y'all. Ghost Spatter turned his head to the camera and said, "Hey, stop controlling me with that keyboard." Oh god. That's so spooky. That's so scary. W2 sentence horror. Yeah, new creepypasta. Execute creepypasta when? The next big creepypasta. Some crazy lore, creepypasta lore. My cousin, actually, like, genuinely knew, the Slender Man stabbers and the girl who got stabbed. She went to their school. Like, they were in the same class. It was, like, genuinely, like, crazy. And I was obsessed with, creepypasta at that time. And so my uncle called my mom and was freaking out about it, and I got creepypasta banned. And I was so mad. Because I loved Slender Man. I loved Jeff the Killer. I was eating that shit up. And, you know, it was... Also, like, a few years later, I went over to, like, see my cousin, because me and my cousin are pretty close, I think. So I went over to Wisconsin, and she still lives there. She continued to go to that school. She took me to where the actual place happened. Bad time for spooky horror stories. Yeah, it was a bad time for spooky horror stories. Yeah, but my cousin, like, genuinely took me to where it happened, and I thought that was kind of crazy. I was like, oh shit. Oh yeah, I recently have people really mad. Like, people are, like, genuinely upset, and I mean genuinely. I don't know how. People are oh my goodness. People are genuinely upset, that the games are tagged as weirdcore. Like, they're, like, genuinely, like, upset the games are tagged as weirdcore. And I'm like, I don't understand why anyone would be genuinely upset about that. But, alas, here we are. Silly people unironically being mad. Like, how is this not just very standard? Like, I don't know. I thought weirdcore was a trendy term that was relevant. Like, you click on this game and you look at this and you tell me that this is not, like, just, like, this game was made before weirdcore was, like, termed, like, the term weirdcore was even coined. Grr, face turns red and smokes come out of your ear. Smoke comes out of your ears, yeah. I never thought it was that serious. But alas, people unironically mad. People are so weird. Let's see. Devlog. Execvte is now playable again. Let's see. I recently honestly, no one reads my fucking devlogs. What can I say? You, whack 910 are gonna be are the only person in existence to like know like what this image is. You are like the only person. Give me a shout out, yo. Sarcasm, you shouldn't. Wow. What do you mean? Wow, epic shout out to whack 910, the epic gamer. You mean you don't want this in the devlog that nobody ever reads? You mean you don't want the biggest shout out ever? You're gonna get so many followers. Let's see. Keep it. I'll keep it. There we go. Moloch. Surreal. Like, people didn't have an issue with surreal or psychedelic. They just didn't like weirdcore. Ah, silly little guys. Well, there we go. Execute is now officially playable. Alrighty. Well, I unfortunately need to go to bed. I'm like passing away. I have work in the morning. Wait, am I an opener? Oh, no. Wait, am I opening tomorrow? Damn. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. I hope not. I'm a little scared right now. I'm checking my schedule. I'm frightened, y'all. I'm scared for my life. It's about to tell me I gotta be there at 5 a.m., don't I? What's the damage? Oh, thank God I'm not. Okay, never mind. I gotta be there at 1. Le. Alright. I shall go to bed. Alright, good night, everybody. Good night. Good night, Slushy. Thank you for joining the stream, by the way. I normally am streaming much more interesting things, I swear. This was a very, boring stream, I fear. I got up to very little. Alrighty. Bye-bye.